Belkin is getting rid of its 2018 product board, and between the fast-charging USB-C chargers and no less than 4 different wireless chargers, it seems that the company's new equipment is tailor-made for the newest phones in the world. Manzana. Now that Apple has finally gone and adopted things like wireless and fast charging on the iPhone X and iPhone 8, we are starting to see a new wave of accessories that support those features. Sure, things like wireless chargers have been around for years, but the implementation of the platform by Apple means there is a completely new market for this type of device. On the wireless charging front, Belkin launches 4 new keypads enabled under its BoostUp brand, along with what the company calls the BoostUp wireless charging system for commercial deployments of wireless chargers in public spaces, restaurants and hotels. Belkin is committed to all the factors of form imaginable for a wireless charger with its 2018 alignment. All Belkin wireless chargers support a speed of 10 W, enough for fast charging on both Apple and Samsung smartphones, and it is expected that be released sometime in the summer. Belkin is also launching 2 USB-C wall chargers, the 27W home charger and the dual-port home charger 27W that add a 12W USB Type-A port. Both loads support the USB-C PD specification, which makes them perfect for charging devices such as a Nintendo Switch or, more importantly, allows fast charging on an iPhone X, which is limited to USB-C PD devices. It is expected that both loaders will be released in the summer as well.